evaluating and clearing a clock of old pigeons. Plug the clock in. I'll say CAN mode. We need to talk to the computer, so we use the red badge. The clock will say Express to PC. We open up Pidexx and we go to Data Transfer and we select this button down here. It's reading what's on the clock. And it's showing us that this is Coco's clock, and these are all the birds that are assigned to it. So she uses a different clock. We're going to delete all. All right. Now we have to reassign our clock to either nobody or someone else. So we're going to go here. Select a fancier. We'll select Barker, as he's not a normal flyer. And we'll hit this top button here and try to move everything over. Actually, I'm going to... So once we have all this deleted, we need to get this information over to this side, and we'll also get the new flyers information on this side. So the new information should be in your drop down. We're going to use Barker as we have nobody else. We hit this top button. Okay, we're going to try to ring some pigeons, or actually some bands, and assign them from the computer, actually to the computer first, and then onto the clock. So we have a couple bands. We're going to select our club, South Bend Liberty. We're going to select the fancier, I'm going with Barker. And down here, we're going to put in his band. Country is always AU. Year's 22 this year. A club prefix, if it's something else on the ring, like ARPU, that's where you would type that. We're going to make up a number. 200. Gender, color, blue bar. Save. We're going to add one more pigeon. Everything should be saved up until your number now. We're going to go 201 and save. So now we see that we have 2 pigeons in the database. Their numbers, colors, sex, and now we need to assign them rings. Okay, now we're going to couple the band to the pigeon number. So we double click, we can exit out of this, and that brings up this menu down here. We're going to choose this one, couple with the pigeon with the ring, and hit that, and we place the pigeon or the chip in our tray. If it's a good chip, it'll come up with your chip ID number up here. We'll do it one more time with the next highlighted bird. Place this in there. You hear the bling. Now we have 2 coupled pigeons with bands. Okay, our next step is to get this information into the clock. I'm going to go up here to data transfer, and we are going to select our club, which is number 1, South Bend Liberty. Select the fancier from our drop down, Barker, and it shows what is in the computer here. We need to get it over to this side. And to do that, we're going to read the clock, make sure that there's nothing in here that it's not supposed to be, that the appropriate name is on the clock and is a AU number. And now we're going to take this information and hit this double arrow, and now everything that was in the computer is now in the clock. This flyer is now ready to start flying pigeons.